Hi gang, thanks for watching. I really appreciate it, and if you enjoy this and want to see more, hit the like. If you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe and hit the bell if you want to know when I upload each week. You guys know how this works. But if you would, leave a comment. Let me know what you think. That kind of tells the algorithm that, hey, people kind of like this, they're engaging it a little bit, and then you have a better chance of seeing more like this, not just from me, but from other creators. So give that a try, and until next time, take care.